Chickies in the rain. They don't seem bothered at all. Except for by the tarp. We're seeing them talk about black soldier fly larvae all over the internet right now. So, of course, we had to get some. Let's see what you think. Oh my goodness. Betty Clucker is all about it. She's like, I love me some black soldier fly larvae. Roxanne, you're being a weirdo. Roxanne's doing her own thing. Fern is quite disappointed that there is no water in her water dish. This is her favorite place to hang out now. The chicks liked the black soldier fly larva, but they didn't go as crazy for it as they do for the mealworms. They've left a bunch of them behind. It could be because of the weather. We're gonna give the chicks a rainy day project. So, how do chicks live in the wild?
Well, their wild ancestors lived in the undergrowth of equatorial jungle regions. They're real adaptable though, and they've adapted to live all over the world. And they love to rummage through litter. And it's good for them, and it's good too because you leave this in your chicken coop for a couple weeks, and then you rake it out and compost a little bit, and you have outstanding fertilizer.
Yep. So,
and this is just pine needles and pine branches from a tree we cut down last summer. And then, of course, to get them interested, because you know this is all new and scary to them at the still.
So we're going to put some black soldier fly larvae, some bugs in here, and let the chickens play. What a nice little flap.
Right?
Tula in the front with Spectra in the back, thinking about getting out from under the cover.
That's Roxanne.
Roxanne, right? Yep. Tula. Hi, Tula.
And I think Rocky should be a rooster.
You mean Roxanne?
Do I?
Roxanne should not be a rooster.
No.
No, I don't think Roxanne is a rooster. What about this weirdo over here? I think she's trying to get water off the wires there. Anyway, this is the one whose name I can never remember. I just want to call her Red. Oh, her name's Betty Clucker. But I just want to call her Red every time I try and remember her name.